lines. Let's learn different types of lines today.
This is a horizontal line. It goes side to side. This is a vertical line. It goes up and down. This is a diagonal line. It goes slanting. This is a dotted line. It is made of little dots. This is a dashed line. It has tiny dashes. This is a zigzag line. It looks like mountains. This is a curved line. It bends gently. This is a spiral line. It goes round and round. This is a wavy line. It looks like waves. This is a loopy line. It has many loops. This is a thick line. It is wide and bold. This is a thin line. It is narrow and light.
Great job! You learned many types of lines. Please like, share, and subscribe to @Anshika Raturi.